Welcome to Little Dreamland.
Hello friends, are you ready to count? Let's count together from 1 to 20, nice and slow. Point your fingers, here we go.
1. Let's count 1. Counting numbers is so fun. 2. Now we have 2. 1 and 2, me and you. 3.
Here comes 3.
1, 2, 3, count with me.
4.
Let's count 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, let's count some more.
5.
We're at 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're alive.
Let's count them all together now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Great job!
Give yourself a high five. 6. Here is 6. 1 through 6, we can fix.
7.
Lucky 7.
Counting up to number 7.
8. Don't be late.
1 through 8, you're doing great.
9. Looking fine.
We've counted all the way to 9.
10.
Count again.
1 through 10, my friend. Let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You did it! Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wonderful! Now let's keep going.
Now we're going to count some more.
Numbers we haven't done before.
These numbers can be tricky, it's true.
But I know you can do it. Me and you.
11! That's 11.
10 plus 1 makes 11.
12.
12!
Here's 12.
10 plus 2 is 12.
13. Number 13.
10 plus 3 is 13.
14. We got 14.
10 plus 4 is 14.
15. 15's here.
10 plus 5. Let's give a cheer. Let's say those teen numbers again.
11. 12.
14.
15.
You're doing amazing. 16.
Sweet 16.
10 plus 6 is 16.
17.
17.
10 plus 7, can you see? 18 now.
10 plus 8, take a bow.
19. 19 here.
10 plus 9, we're almost there.
20. We reached 20.
10 plus 10 is 20.
Hooray!
Now let's count from 1 to 20.
Nice and slow.
We've got plenty. Point your fingers, count with me.
Let's see how high we can be.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16.
17,
18, 19.
20.
You did it!
You counted to 20.
All those numbers, we've got plenty.
From 1 all the way to 20.
You're so smart!
You've got plenty.
Like and subscribe to my channel.